Hi, my name is Cassie. Welcome to Flint Fit Core Warm-Up Exercises. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is stretch our neck muscles. Lots of times they get really tight, so we want to make sure to keep them nice and stretched out. Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to tuck your chin down toward your chest. Good. You should feel a stretch all along the back side of your neck. Very good. Let's hold that for a few seconds. Good. Now I want you to look up towards the ceiling or up towards the sky. You should feel stretches all along the front part of your neck. You guys are doing great. Good. Now let's bring it back down. The next stretch we're going to do is I want you to rotate and look over your left shoulder. Okay? So just do it as far as you can. You should feel a stretch all along the right side of your neck. Good. Go as far as you can. It shouldn't be painful, but it'll be a strong stretch. If you can look over your left shoulder, that is awesome. But if not, just go as far as you can. Good. Now let's go towards the right shoulder. You should feel a stretch all along the left side of your neck. Good job. All right, now bring it forward. The next stretch is I want you to bring your right ear to your right shoulder. This is what we call lateral flexion. You should feel a stretch all along this side of your neck. Make sure your shoulder is nice and relaxed. Don't bring it up here. Bring that shoulder down. Good. Keep holding for a few more seconds, okay? Good. Now let's once again make sure that shoulder is nice and relaxed. Don't bring that shoulder up high. You should feel a strong stretch all along that right side of the neck. Good. Keep holding it just a few more seconds. Okay, let's go up nice and tall. Now we're going to move from our neck down to our trunk. Okay, so let's go ahead and rotate towards our left. If you're rotating away from your affected side, you can take your unaffected arm and grasp your affected arm and rotate with it. Turn as far as you can go. You should feel a stretch all along the right side of your trunk. You might even feel it up into your right arm. Now let's turn and rotate towards our right. Once again, if you're rotating away from your affected side, you can take your unaffected arm, cross it over your affected arm, and help rotate with it. You guys are doing great. It may even stretch all the way up into your shoulder. And that's okay. Just make sure it's not painful. Good. Let's come back to the center. Now we want to laterally tilt or laterally flex, what we call it. So we're going to put our right shoulder and bend it down towards our right hip. Good. You should feel a stretch all along the left side of your trunk muscles. Want you to still maintain an upright posture. Should be feeling it now all along that left side of your trunk. You guys are doing great. Let's go ahead and go towards the other side. So the left shoulder down towards the left hip. You should feel a stretch all along that right side of your trunk. Keep holding it. You guys are doing great. Good job. Keep holding it. A few more seconds. All right, now let's go nice and straight. So we stretched our neck and our trunk. Now we're going to go down to our pelvis. So what I want you to do is tilt your pelvis downward, what we call a posterior pelvic tilt. Good. So you should feel a stretch all along the back side of your pelvis muscles. So get into that slouched position. Hold it for a few seconds. Now I want you to bring that pelvis up in what we call an anterior pelvic tilt. Okay, so I want you to tilt it up. Get your trunk nice and straight. Shoulders back. Good. Very good. Now we're going to go down one more time. Okay, so let's go ahead and tilt downward. Good, into that what we call that posterior pelvic tilt. You guys are doing great into that slouched position. Now let's come up nice and tall into that anterior pelvic tilt. You guys did great. Thank you for joining us for our core warm-up exercises. Join us for level 1 core exercises.